So if you think of this as state of Andhra Pradesh, so during the previous government, what happened was the city of Chennai is facing severe water shortage. So they have come up with a plan to migrate the water from the river Tungabhadra towards the Chennai. So the Krishna river flows like this along the border of Andhra Pradesh. So the Krishna flows like this. Now what they wanted to do was to migrate some of the water from the upstream areas of Tungabhadra into the city of Chennai, so that the Chennai's water problem can be alleviated to some extent. The name of the project is called as Telugu Ganga. Telugu Ganga river interlinking project. Now this plan is a very ambitious plan because on one hand it is trying to increase the irrigation facilities in the Rayalaseema zone, on the other hand it is trying to decrease the difficulty of Chennai people. When the project started, when the work is going on, what happened was they have discovered a bird in this area. So they have discovered a bird in this area. Now the problem with this bird is, this bird name is Jerdon'S courser. The specialty of this bird is, this bird was declared extinct. So nobody have seen this bird for the last 50 years. This was declared extinct, but when the project was undertaken, they have suddenly found one species of the bird, or one single individual bird living somewhere in the forest, which is identified as Jerdon'S courser. So after the recognition, now people have come to the fact that this bird has not gone extinct, it is still alive in the world. Maybe this is the only sighting. After that sighting, there is no other sighting till now. So upon this one sighting, what they did was, there is a lot of pushback from the environmentalists because species are going extinct because of developmental works. So then they declared all of this area as Sri Lankamalleswara Wildlife Sanctuary. Sri Lankamalleswara Wildlife Sanctuary, dedicated to the production of Jerdon'S courser. And then